Welcome to Economic and Public Policy Part 3 for the day. We have already covered in two sections a lot of important news, so we are moving ahead in continuation with this. So let's start it directly. What are the news going to be in the Part 3? So state-run oil and gas firms will definitely invest rupees 1.62 trillion this year in the financial year 21. This has been said by the ministry itself. Again, I will repeat, state-run oil and gas firms. So this will boost employment for sure. It will boost, and as per them, they are saying that this amount will create a virtuous circle of investment. It will help to revive the economy, which is already under a setback. GDP has been shrunk, is said by every important organization, and moreover, the thing, even the RBI is not very hopeful that how long it will extend. They have said in Q2 it will be going to be slow down again. We have to prolong. A slowdown will be witnessed. So 1.62 trillion has been included in capex and opex. Capex is your capital expenditure and opex is your operational expenditure. And from exam perspective, this is how many days of employment will be. It will be ensuring 240 million days. So the options will be 230, 240, 250, 260. So the right answer will be 240 million man days work employment opportunities will be given by this step of the as per ministry. The other important news is that fake notes circulation declines, but it is worrying for any economy. So banks have detected, now important is bank has detected 95.4%, and the remaining 4.6% were detected by the RBI for financial year 20, that is April and March. So this value and volume of the banknotes in circulation value is rose 14.7% rose in value, and volume rose in 6.6% during financial year 20. So this figure you have to remember. And another important is Moody's had cut its SBI's rating, State Bank of India rating on COVID fears. Rating agencies Moody's has downgraded State Banks of India baseline credit assessment, that is BCA. Again, I will repeat what he has done. What they have done is baseline credit assessment, that is BCA, from BA1 to BA2. And moreover, how Moody's work, how Standard and Poor work, how the Fitch works. Moody's 1, Standard and Poor 2, Fitch is 3. So whenever they say anything, it's very seriously taken by the world. So how they have worked, we have already discussed in earlier lecture. So this would hurt asset quality of Indian banks, that is for sure. And SBI is going to there is affirmed SBI's Baa3 deposit rating. So again, deposit ratings you have to remember from a banking perspective. And moreover, downgraded reflects bank already deteriorating asset quality and profitability, and this will hurt them dearly. And moreover, Google tax contributes just 1% to direct tax kit in major cities. IT hubs such as Bengaluru and Hyderabad tops the chart in Google tax collection. But mop up this controversial levy, they have constitute just 1% of the total tax collection from direct taxes in these circles till 20th of August. This you have to remember. And moreover, the next news is coming from PNB. It has received around 24.33 crore rupees in Nirav Modi case. Basically, they have informed, PNB has informed Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So question can come, which ministry was informed by PNB for $3.25 million? That is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and this said them on, and this is around 24.33 crores. And moreover, the last section will cover the remaining. So these all four parts will cover entire day, everything from the economic and public policy perspective. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.